Can too much untracked veggies affect prep? And I feel like, should you the track or don't track veggies thing? Well, sure. I mean, it depends on the context. Like if you're eating 3,000 calories and getting lean, it's probably going to be minimally invasive. But if you're eating, you need 1,300 calories to get lean, or 1,000 or whatever, then you can certainly overconsume veggies. I mean, you can overconsume veggies anytime, but you're more likely to put yourself out or offset your deficit by not tracking veggies and your calories being very low. And people tend to overeat them, and it will add calories 100%. So if you're tracking them, then obviously you can count that in. Now the other issue there is like over consuming, because you're not tracking them, would be too much fiber, too much fiber to break down in the diet, especially like based on ratio of calories to fiber. It would maybe not make sense to eat that extreme amount of fiber. But yeah, certainly could be a problem if they're completely untracked and calories are low enough, for example.